What is up, YouTube? Now, I know that a lot of people have a problem with doing review videos. They don't like to do them. It's really difficult. I get that. And that's why I'm going to give you something that I've never given away before. I'm going to give you a dozen ready-made review videos, complete with a bonus page and bonuses that you can give away so you don't have to actually do anything. Is literally all set up for you. Plus, every single review video, I'm going to show you an example later on, is going to come with a talking head presenter, somebody who's actually going to be introducing the review video. So you're actually going to have the reviews ready to roll. All you got to do is deploy them. You're going to get a dozen of them, and they're all going to come as a bonus with a course that I am loving, because this course is going to show you how to take the money you make from these reviews and invest it so that you can make even more money. It's all coming up in my review of Crypto Cowboys. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can porn successfully. Well, me and my buddy Leo over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes, well, they can be as stale as the cat food that my cats refuse to eat because it's sat out for too long. They're very finicky. They're very finicky creatures. You know that? Very, very interesting. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart? Seriously? This is good stuff, okay? This is a dozen different ready-made products that people can give away, that people can sell rather, and make money off of, okay? All done for you, all done for them. All they have to do is deploy the thing. They have bonuses, they have bonus pages, they have review videos, they even have talking head presenters, which is really cool because nobody does that, all right? It's all there for them, and they all they have to do is just put it in place. This is cool stuff, okay? Seriously. But anyway, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a pod, I will give a tip. I answer product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I looking angry at her. She's a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thank you, subscribe. Doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure if you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Crypto Cowboys. This is a brand new product from my friends Wayne and Aiden. It's really, really cool. It's a course all about how they're able to make money using cryptocurrency. Now, if you are afraid of cryptocurrency, I get it. I was afraid of it too. You know, like I heard about Bitcoin when it was going for like about 50, 100 bucks a coin. And like a lot of people, I am kicking myself that I didn't invest $1,000 back then, because I'd be a multimillionaire just off my crypto by now. I do have crypto investments right now, and I believe that crypto is definitely going to see an explosion. It's going to make a lot of money for people. And so that's why I'm really, really excited about this course. But what I'm even more excited about is I'm going to basically make sure that you're going to make the money to invest in crypto, so that basically you're just going to take the money that you make and make even more money using this course. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to give you a dozen ready-made review videos. These come with a complete with a talking head presenter. I'm going to show you in just a second what I mean by that. All right. And you're also going to get a ready-made review video that is professional, it's done for you, it shows the product, shows everything that's available of the product, and you're going to get a done for you bonus page where you actually are able to load up the bonus page and it's all done for you. And you're also going to get the bonuses. So literally, it's all ready to roll. You just deploy it, start mailing your list. There's even emails that you can use, so you can literally just start sending it out. It is the easiest way ever to get started, and you're going to get a dozen of them completely for free from me. And by the way, the course of Crypto Cowboys, $7. $7, you get all of this stuff completely for free. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this course, okay, pick up any upgrade to Crypto Cowboys, then I am going to give you something that I have never ever done before. I'm going to let you give away my own email success secrets. Okay, this is one of my most popular courses. I have never ever let anybody give it away. You're going to have the right to give it away as a bonus for free. Okay, I'm going to give it to you. If you pick up any upgrade to Crypto Cowboys, you get the right to give away email success secrets as a bonus to your own customers. So for example, if you wanted to stand out and use these things, oh, and let me show you right now, actually, this is an example of a talking head presenter that we have, like, so just so you understand what I'm talking about.
Welcome to our review of proximity. In a moment, our expert will go over this course and show you our custom bonuses.
Yeah, so that's basically like that. This is these are professional actors that I actually hired professional actors to present these things. You can put a green screen behind them. They all have green screens, as you can see with that one. So you can just use it as is, or you can put your own background. You can also insert your own images. I'm going to show you how to do all of that with completely free software. You can literally deploy these things in about 5 minutes of effort. And again, completely free software. You don't have to spend a single penny after this in order to do this. You're going to get a dozen of those kind of things. And that was just talking presenter. That's not the review video. That just introduces the review, and you can add your own logos. If you don't have logos, I'm going to give you logos as well. So literally everything is done for you. Just go ahead and deploy it, and you'll be able to start rolling right away with being able to sell these things. You're going to get a dozen of them ready-made for you to give away. And again, Crypto Cowboys is $7. I'll show you the members area real quick over here. So you can see they're going to go over everything you need to know in order to be able to start making real money from crypto. And the nice thing is that what you can do is like this. Right now, Bitcoin is actually down. It's only at about $32,000. It had been as high as 65. I expect it's going to go up. I am not a financial advisor, so I can't give you financial advice. Do not treat this as financial advice. I'm legally required to tell you that, but my personal expectation is it's going to go up. It's going to go a lot higher. All right. But anyway, bottom line is they're going to teach you everything you need to know about crypto. Now, I don't want you to start investing your own money right away. Instead, what I want you to do is take the dozen ready-made review videos that you're getting, the review videos, the bonus pages, the bonuses, everything. Take those, and you're going to take those and actually use those to make some money. And then you can take the money you make and invest in crypto and make even more money. And again, the whole business is going to cost you $7. Okay, that is absolutely insane. Pick up any upgrade, you get to give away email success secrets. That is just absolutely bonkers. So let's see if I am going to give a tip my hat's the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. Okay, look, I love crypto. I think that it has a tremendous future. I think that this is going to really make a lot of people a lot of money. You just have to start investing in it and start using it. I'm already investing in crypto. I own actually quite a bit of crypto money, cryptocurrency, and I'm very excited about the future for crypto. I think that's really got a lot of room to grow. Grab this one for $7. Look, even if you don't want to invest in crypto, you're going to get my dozen ready-made review videos and bonuses ready to roll. You're going to love this one. This one's great. Grab it.